Hi everyone, I'm Mika and welcome back to Holyland. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce the new Cosmo C2, Holyland's latest innovation in wireless video transmission. Designed with professionals in mind, this system features a 2TX 1RX solution, an ultra-long 3000 feet line-of-sight range, and low latency of just 33 milliseconds. Whether you're live streaming, pulling focus, or managing multi-camera productions, this system is here to simplify your workflow. Let's dive in to see how it works. Inside the box, you'll find 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, antennas, and all the cables you need to get started. The build quality feels solid and professional, perfect for challenging environments. Let's set it up. First, attach the antennas to both the transmitters and the receiver. Next, connect the transmitter to your camera using HDMI or SDI and plug the receiver into your monitor. The best part? The device comes prepared straight from the factory, making it super practical to get started right out of the box. Just power them on and you are ready to go. One of the Cosmo C2 standout features is its 2TX 1RX solution, which allows 2 transmitters to connect to a single receiver. This reduces the number of devices and cables, ensuring a cleaner workflow and better synchronization between feeds. To set this up, power on the transmitters and receiver by holding the power button until the indicators light up. Connect the transmitters to your cameras and the receiver to both your monitors. Use the HDMI output A to connect to one of your monitors and the HDMI output B to connect to your second monitor. Both your camera feeds will be live and ready to go. The Cosmo C2 provides an impressive 3000 feet line-of-sight range, making it perfect for professional use in large venues or open areas. While we are in the studio today, you can trust that this range will hold strong even in more demanding environments. Latency can make or break a professional setup, and the Cosmo C2 delivers with just 33 milliseconds of delay. This ensures near-instant feedback, which is critical for focus pullers to track dynamic movements with precision. The Cosmo C2 is powered by Holyland's Evo 2.0 technology, which ensures stable and uninterrupted transmission. Here in the studio, surrounded by active Wi-Fi networks, backup servers, the Cosmo C2 maintains a crystal clear feed without any interference. This makes it a reliable choice even in complex wireless environments. The Cosmo C2 receiver supports NDI protocol, enabling video streams over a single network. This reduces cabling and keeps your production space organized, making it ideal for studio and live event setups. UVC streaming simplifies video transmission to your computer. Just connect the receiver to your computer with a USB-C cable, and you are ready to live stream or video conference in real time, no capture card required. With HDMI and SDI inputs and outputs, the Cosmo C2 supports fractional frame rates for maximum flexibility. For example, this is ideal for syncing different camera systems or connecting to multiple monitors in a live production setup. The Cosmo C2 transmitter supports DC locking and NPF batteries, while the receiver is compatible with DC locking and V-mount batteries. This ensures uninterrupted operation for both studio and on the go. The frozen frame feature holds the last frame of the video feed during signal loss. Instead of showing a blank screen, for example, this keeps your production professional, and you can even personalize the frame with your own company logo to maintain consistent branding. The FPS booster converts frame rates like 24, 25 or 30 FPS into smoother 6 FPS outputs. This is perfect for capturing fast-paced visuals like product spins or action shots. To enable it, navigate to the RX settings and toggle the FPS booster option. Once activated, you will see an immediate difference in fluidity and motion quality. The Cosmo C2 combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it a reliable tool for professional creators. From its innovative 2TX 1RX setup and ultra-low latency to advanced streaming capabilities, it's designed to meet the demands of modern productions. For more details, check the link below or leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.